How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unfriend someone on Snapchat. Now to do so, first head into your chat list, open up the Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the profile icon or the Bitmoji icon that you can find at the top left corner of your screen. And here if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see my friends option and add friends option. Now you can always add friends from here by searching for them or through quick add or from your contacts. Now if you want to unfriend someone from your friend list, what you want to do is head into my friends, and then what you want to do is long tap on the username, or what you can do is open up the profile and head into the profile, or the shorter way or the quick way, it'll be just long tap on the profile username. Just long tap and hold, and you'll get the option manage friendship. Simply tap on manage friendship and you'll get the option to remove friend. Now you can block them if you want, you can report them if you want, you can edit their name through here too. But since you want to know how you want to unfriend someone, simply tap on remove friend and the confirmation will pop up. Are you sure you want to remove this user as a friend? Simply tap on remove and they'll be removed from your friend list. So this way you can unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.